Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can send the supplier remittance advice in QuickBooks Online to confirm payment details. So, by the way, you have to make sure first that you have the full version of QuickBooks or you have the plan that actually has this feature so you will be able to proceed to the next steps. And of course, listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. So, after you log into your QuickBooks account, what you will do is basically you will see the expenses in the left on your left panel, which is right here. So what you will do is you will click expenses, and after that you will head over to the vendor section and then click select vendor, and then after that you will click pay bills and select bills to pay, and you will click print or send remittance advice, and then QuickBooks will generate a PDF. Then you will send the PDF via email or print. And by the way, you could also customize the template in settings and then go to custom form styles, and then you will see remittance advice for branding. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.